Manipur police appeals to withdraw general strike on December 19th, called by left parties. Warns of legal action against Band supporters. IGP John Wan Clay Kongsai says necessary measures are taken up to check black markets of fuels originating from unnecessary stock of petrol and diesel. Convener of a JAC formed against the mischievous death of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School announces to relax the ban on festivities at Thangmaiband starting tomorrow. And in a Lok Sabha, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan flags off India's first ever MTV cycling expedition, which will cover 4 nations on the themed Cycle for Green Earth. A very good evening to you all. I'm Kanal Sambandaram presenting you the Sunday Primetime English News. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Manipur police urged the left parties to withdraw the 12th-hour general strike on December 19th. Speaking to media at the conference held of Imphal Police Station today, IGP John Wan of Manipur Police Clay Kongsai warned that Manipur Home Department will take up legal actions against the Band supporters. He asserted that the Supreme Court has already declared Band and blockades as unconstitutional. He stated that many people of the state residing at various parts of the country are facing inconveniences while coming back to their native place owing to the ongoing vehement protest in Assam and various parts of the country against enactment of a Citizenship Amendment Act.
अखोई मणिपुर होम डिपार्टमेंट नसु 10th April 2018 दुदा मसीगी बन ब्लॉकेट से यादे एनी सपोर्टर्स इवन दुकान सिंग ओइरो नत्रगा ट्रांसपोर्टर सिंग ओइरो और एनी अदर मसीगुंबा बन सौगतपा अतै तै लेरगदी मसी मैम से एज पर लॉ द फर्मली डील तौगदौबनी हाइना ऑलरेडी होम डिपार्टमेंट के ऑर्डर्स लेबनी अदु मरमना मसीगुंबा बन से तौबिगनु हाइना खोई अपील तौजनिंगी होजिक होजिक सी मपान द लाइरिक तमीबा थबक तौरिबा सुती द लाकनिंग मयाम अमा लाकपगी मतम ओइरबने हंचिक से 18 से दसु असम दसु बन अमा लेबा माले अखोइगी रिलेटिव्स फ्रेंड्स पांदा तंबा सात्रा नत्रगा थबक तौबा युम लाकनिंग कांबू के दमंगदसु अखोइना सोमदा मुका बन कौसेलबा अदोमदा मुका मोय मदु फेस तौरबा इल बी अ रियल प्रॉब्लम फॉर देम मसिगी मयाम सेसु खनबीरगा अखोइना मसिगुंबा बन सी सौकपिगनु अदु
Meanwhile, the Manipur Police IGP John Wan Clay Kongsai appealed people to stop panic buying of petrol and diesel based on some misleading reports of a fuel shortage in the state. He asserted that Manipur Police are undertaking necessary measures to curb black marketing of fuels, maintaining that police personnel are deployed at every petrol pumps in the state to check a fuel supply. He expressed the need for IOCL, CAF, PD department and police personnel to jointly work together.
तौरगा ब्लैक ता यूननबा तौबा लेरगसु हाइदना अखोई पुलिस लोय थम्मने ऑफ कोर्स होजिमक्ते अखोई द मसमाइना योले खोले हाइमक्ते अखोई रिपोर्ट ति फंगद्री बट इन केस वी गेट वी विल डील विद दैट एंड मोर ओवर कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट FCS तै तै मोयगसु टाइप तोनरगा and to ensure that even if necessary मसिगुंबा पेट्रोलियम ओइरो डीजल ओइरो सि मयाम सि दरकार लेगदि रेशन तौबा अखोइगी IOC नदि so far stock फजना लेदि हाइना ngasi खबर दसु नोइना फोंगमनि we hope that people don't resort to any panic buying in fact अखोइना बन ब्लॉकेज से पंगतौ तौसिनबदा को that artificial scarcity सि अखोइदसु लेगनिबा.
Convener of Joint Action Committee formed against the mysterious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Eld Ganeshwari, has announced of relaxing the ban on festivities in Thangmaiband areas in connection with the suspicious death case of the girl student starting tomorrow. She appealed to the public to attend the Lana Thorum ceremony of the girl student, which will be held on 28th of December. Speaking to media at Thangmaiband Thao Ground today, Gyaneshwari asserted that as a result of the joint efforts by the people of the state in demanding justice for the girl student, Central Bureau of Investigation has started investigation into the mysterious death case of the girl student. She also expressed belief that justice of the deceased student will be served at the earliest. It may be recalled that the girl student was found hanging in a suspicious manner in the school hostel room on 18th of July.
CBI de hek sinadriba phawba CBI na hek paidri phawba masung aigi isyan gi magi justice phangdri phawba di magi lana tharom pangthok laroi haidana ekhoi nimituna mana lokthokpadagi ekhoi ngasi phawba magi lana tharom pangthoktri aduna hojik CBI na paibira abanina thagliba December gi tang 19 asida baby sanagi lana tharom pangthokcheragani hojik akhoi kambui community gi akhoi gangai kumai laksanba amasung koi Christian chatpa kangbugi akhoi kano lakpa akhoi Christmas lakpa sina hojai khoina magi akhoi thingjaramba GSC gi thingjaramba thamai manungda madu akhoi hayeng December gi tang 13 dagi di akhoi pomthok jaragani.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan flagged off India's first ever MTV cycling expedition on the themed Cycle for Green Earth, which will cover 4 nations from Kangla Western Gate in Imphal today. Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, along with National Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports (NIMAS) Arunachal Pradesh, organized the expedition. 4 riders led by team leader NIMAS Director Colonel Sarfaraz took part in the expedition. The team will go through Moreh and will further cycle a total of 4,000 kilometers across 4 Southeast Asian countries, namely Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, and till Malaysia-Singapore border for 40 days.
It's a great opportunity for us to receive the team and to see off the team, and we wish to have a grand success and bring a good understanding among the Southeast Asian nations, particularly with the Northeast India. And I pray to God the team should reach the destinations without any disturbance and without any difficulties, and please bring the Lauren come back to the nation again with a good hope for future growth in these expeditions.
Members of Helping Hand Konglipa carried out protest demonstrations against enactment of Citizenship Amendment Act in the Northeast states at Singjamai Temporary Market today. The protesters displayed various placards which read, "Yes to democracy, big no to dictatorship. United we stand, divided we fold, 7 sisters. Northeast is not a dumping ground for illegal migrants" during the protest. Jiribam District Police have released the arrested 6 students and the Vice President of AMSU District Committee Jiribam as Ranajid, who were arrested on the 10th of December today. Women and students organizations and various civil society organizations of Jiribam warmly received them in front of PWD guest house in Babupara, Jiribam. Lilong AC opened Mini Marathon 2019 on the themed Run Against Drug Abuse was held today. Thawal District Police SP Dr. S. Ibomcha flagged off the marathon from Lilong Police Station. Many people took part in the marathon, which concluded at Lilong Police Public Ground. District Police Thawal, along with Old Lilong Anti-Drug Association, Alada, Anjuman, Lilong Sports Association, LSA, Lilong Bazaar Area Development Committee, Islamic Cultural and Research Organization, ICRO, and Citizens Development Organization, CDO, organized the marathon. Speaking on the sideline, SP Dr. S. Ibomcha said that the marathon aims to curb a drug maniac for a fit and healthy state. He also expressed gratitude towards the organizers and volunteers of the marathon. Spokesperson of Lilong Sports Association LSA, Mohammad Sadiq, Mohammad Sahidur and Mohammad Iqbal Hussain bagged the first, second and third positions of the mini marathon respectively. They were felicitated with cash awards and certificate on the occasion.
drug abuse amsung drug na koi dosala kadruma Manipur se asibo amkan kannabri namakta ekoi unna ekoi LSA Anjuman Alada LB ADC Micro NCDO masiga pullaga koi Thabal district police na aduga adaksha dila paisana su mateng pangbi dilongi dila paisat adaksha su mateng pangbi na koi punna masi tawra sinjabane ekoi akoina miyam da bijaning badi ekoi drug tagi thaptong laisi drug abuse haibasi thingsi haibasi masigi thingda koi tawjabane ekoi masigi koi tungan ba koi pricing koi thamjare.
Mastermind Avacus Lalambung Center organized a state-leveled mastermind competition at Makley International School in Lalambung, Mokong today. Altogether, 110 students from various Mastermind Avacus centers in the state took part in the competition held in 3 different categories. Speaking at the event, coordinator of Mastermind Avacus Lambung Center, Eld Sharmila, said that Mastermind Avacus is an educational institution which uses scientific methods to train the students to improve their brain activity. She declared that the winners of the competition will participate in the upcoming national competitions on January 2020. Winners of the competition were also felicitated on the occasion.
Masigi maruoiba pandam se akoi lakadoriba January last week ta indoor da national abacus competition tawgadori mastermind gi main oina adugi aim da angang gi preparation gi oina tawjabani course asina angang khaida suki mate kana hali makoida multi concentration la ali memory power henkalali photographic image visualization all rounder development oina angang sida adugi mate mateng pangi masigi maru
Chairman cum Managing Director of Seja Hospital and Research Center, Langold, Dr. Palind Kundongbam, opened a stall of Religare Health Insurance Company Imphal branch at the hospital today. The stall was opened with an aim to aware people on benefits of health insurance. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Cookie Students Organizations warned to cold band on Imphal to Moray Road on the 19th of December if the authorities concerned fail to meet their demands. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Primetime News. Cookie Students Organization has warned of calling band on Imphal Moray Road on December 19th if the authorities concerned fail to take up the construction project of a modeled residential school earlier planned to construct at the Kenjoy block headquarters in the Chandal district latest by December 18th. It may be mentioned that the project sanctioned by MOBC was approved during the 13th Empowered Committee on March 18 and 12. 2018. Speaking to media at KSO General Headquarters in the Cookie Inn today, spokesperson of KSO and Cookie Chiefs Association, Thangzalun Haukip, expressed disappointment over the failure of the authorities concerned despite their assurance to initiate the project after recent Lok Sabha election. He asserted that 945.38 lakh rupees out of the total 2,562 rupees of the 2,562 lakh rupees of the project was already released to the state government on March 28, 2018. He asserted that as per the instructions by district administration, the village chief has already donated a land measuring an area of 140,000 square feet for the project. He maintained that there are about 10 high schools and 1 college within 2 kilometers residents of Chinkhir village. He expressed unfortunate over the government for attempting to shift the construction of the residential schools at Chinkhir village despite at the Kenjoy block which lacks adequate schools and colleges. He warned of intense agitation if the authorities concerned fail to meet their demands.
Lokspa election loibasi tha taruk terit chatkre hujik phausi CM na kaisu haibiramte department su kaisu haibiramte adu ngaibasi khoisu sidi yaroi hainai khoina ngasi se press conference tawbane khengjoi block degi district headquarter sida hongthok usi janing taba hongthok bugi ngasi press conference tawbane date 18 December phausi government na karigumba tabi terade date 19 degi Chandigarh district amasung Infal More lambi si ban kawgni.
A poetry book titled Autumn Buds, written by budding author Chongtham Dipu, was released today. Former Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor N. Khagendra, retired IAS K. Radhakumar, Principal of DM College of Arts, Dr. C.H. Silaramani, and many writers took part in the event held at Hotel Infal's Sangai Hold. Speaking on the occasion, author Chongtham Dipu said that the poetry book consists of various poems written in 18 languages out of the 23 Indian languages recognized by Sahitya Academy. He asserted that the poetry book will greatly facilitate the budding authors and students of the state.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯏꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯟ 19 ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯣꯟ 19ꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯁꯛꯈꯪꯂꯕ ꯁꯥꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯀꯨꯟꯍꯨꯝꯗꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯗꯥꯏꯚꯔꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ
Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Khorzei Lupt. Ima Coles also released 2 poetry books titled Lei Amashung Mami Singh and Aigi Canvas, written by Rahul Leisangthem at Manipur Press Club today. President of Manipur Sahitya Parisat I.S. Kangjabam Ima called President Dr. R.K. Gunachandra, Principal of Infal College Dr. M. Priyavata, and President of Sea Waves Manipur, Salam Tomba, took part in the event. General Secretary of Assam Manipur Sahitya Parisat N.G. Vasanta Kumar released a poetry book entitled Asengba Saktam, written by author Laishramt Memja from Ziribam today. A total of 50 poems are included in the poetry book. President of Manipur Sahitya Parisat Jiribam as Kogendra, Assistant Professor of Assam University H. Ramani, and many poetry enthusiasts attended the event held at Rajaram Mohan Roy Library Hall in Babupara, Jiribam. United Development Committee distributed winter gifts and essentials to 400 destitute peoples of Wabagai constituency today. Measures of 13th Dogra Regiment Mayor Imphal Rajendra Singh Chaudhary attended the event held at Kelakong Community Hall. One-month-long non-residential hockey coaching camp kicked off at Iraima Lampak Narayansena today. Iraima Lamabam Sporting Association Narayansena organized a camp under Manipur Hockey Association and Vishnupur Hockey Vishnupur district. The game aims to provide training to the young players to boost hockey in Vishnupur district. Altogether, 45 boys and girls between 8 to 15 years of age are taking part in the camp. Manipur Hockey Association also distributed a t-shirt and a hockey stick each to the participants of the coaching camp. Now the sports news. First Village Open 7-a-side soccer tournament kicked off at Utlo, Kangjibung today. In today's first match, host team Utlo Football Club senior team defeated Manipur United by 4-1. Altogether, 28 teams are participating in the tournament organized by Utlo Football Club with an aim to keep out society fit and healthy. The tournament will continue till the first week of next month. Govinda Farmed Football Club will play against Kodompokpi Football Club at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow, while Utlo Awang Football Club will lock horns with Wangoi Football Club in another match at 1:30 p.m. and Sanjenbam Football Club will face Pukrambam Football Club in a match at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Koijam Damado Memorial, the Soccer Division League kicked off at playground of YWC Thambalkhong today. Ketrigao MLA and Indrajit, President of Imphal East District Football Association and eminent persons of the association attended the inaugural event. In the first football league match played today, State Sporting Club Sector beat State Club Moirang Kampu by 3-1. For the winner, Y. Chitrasend, M. Asa Chandra and M. Vigyanda score 1 goal each at 7th, 25th and 66th minute, while the lone losing goal was scored by Eld Johnson at 4th minute of the match. 7 football teams are participating in the Football League organized by Imphal East District Football Association. SWC Kongman will play against KSDC Komidok in the second league match tomorrow. Mao Rabuname defeated Chuwainu by 3-2 in the second KASA-KOSO football tournament organized by 109 Battalion CRPF under the age of IGP M and N sector CRPF. Winner Rabuname team and the teams who participated in the tournament were felicitated after the match. 143 Battalion CRPF Commandant Eld Longemt, 109th Battalion Commandant SH Vinod Kumar and AC KK Pau graced the event. Divine Life Club Hairok Part 2 Mayai Laikai felicitated Laishram Janet, who bagged a gold medal in the 6th ISKF National Open Karate Championship 2019 today. The championship was held at Jarsugoda in Orissa from November 29 till December 1. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Manipur police appeal to withdraw general strike on December 19 called by left parties, warns of legal actions against Bund supporters. IGP John Wan Clay Kongsai says necessary measures are taken up to check black markets of fuels originating from unnecessary stock of petrol and diesels. Convener of a JAC formed against the mysterious death of the girl students of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School announces to relax the ban on festivities at Thangmai Band starting tomorrow. And in a Lok Sabha, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan flagged off India's first ever MTV cycling expedition, which will cover 4 nations on the themed Cycle for Green Earth.